Imagine earning your first paycheck. You feel proud until you notice part of it is already gone. No one asked you. No receipt was optional. So where did that money go? That question is where taxation begins. This is the Learning Studio, and today we're unpacking how taxes actually work, not as theory, but as a system that quietly shapes incomes, businesses, and entire economies. At its core, taxation is simple. Governments collect money to keep societies running: healthcare, education, infrastructure, security. But taxation isn't just about funding services. It's also about balance, deciding who pays, how much, and when. Every tax system rests on two broad ideas. Some taxes follow your income, others follow your spending. When you earn money and part of it goes directly to the government, that's a direct tax. Your salary, business profits, investment gains, the more you earn, the more you contribute. This structure is designed to spread the burden according to ability to pay. But when you buy goods or services and tax is added at the checkout, that's an indirect tax. Everyone pays the same rate, regardless of income. You don't notice it much until prices rise. That's why indirect taxes are powerful, but also controversial. Behind these taxes sits policy, deliberate choices governments make. High taxes on cigarettes and alcohol discourage consumption. Lower taxes on startups encourage innovation. Tax incentives attract investors. High corporate taxes can push businesses elsewhere. That's why taxation is never just financial, it's strategic. For businesses, taxes influence pricing, expansion, hiring, and even where operations are located. A profitable company on paper can struggle after taxes. A smart company plans for tax legally, transparently, and early, because tax isn't an afterthought, it's part of every financial decision. Tax systems have existed for thousands of years, but today they're evolving fast. Digital reporting, data analytics, and cross-border coordination are changing how governments track income and enforce compliance. Multinational firms are increasingly taxed where value is created, not just where headquarters sit. The direction is clear: more transparency, fewer loopholes, and tighter global coordination. Understanding taxation isn't about memorizing rates. It's about understanding incentives. What you tax shapes behavior. What you reward grows. What you punish shrinks. Many of the principles behind modern tax policy trace back to Adam Smith, who argued that good taxes should be fair, predictable, convenient, and efficient. Ideas that still guide tax systems centuries later. In the next video, we'll step into financial markets and institutions, where taxes, capital, and risk all collide. Subscribe and continue with the playlist. This is the Learning Studio. I'll see you in the next lesson.